There's a common myth out there. It says you have to quit your job to get rich. That's just plain wrong. In fact, keeping your job can be your biggest advantage in building wealth. It's not about ditching the daily grind. It's about using it as a springboard. Think of your job as a financial engine. It generates a steady stream of income. This income is the fuel for your wealth-building journey. Without it, you're running on fumes. You need that consistent cash flow to invest, save, and grow your money. Quitting your job before you're financially ready is like jumping out of a plane without a parachute. It's risky and the landing can be rough. Don't get me wrong, entrepreneurship is great, but it's not for the faint of heart, and it's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. So before you hand in your 2 weeks' notice, remember this: your job is not your enemy, it's a tool. Use it wisely to build a solid foundation for your financial future. Then, when the time is right, you can make the leap to entrepreneurship or early retirement with confidence. A steady job offers something invaluable: stability. This means predictable income you can count on. No more wondering where your next meal is coming from. This security is the bedrock of sound financial planning. With a regular paycheck, you can budget effectively. You know how much money is coming in and can allocate it accordingly. This allows you to pay bills on time, avoid debt, and start building a safety net. But it's not just about the paycheck. A good job often comes with benefits. Think health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. These perks add up to big savings and contribute to your overall financial well-being. This stability provides peace of mind. It reduces financial stress and allows you to focus on your long-term goals. Remember, financial freedom starts with a solid foundation, and that foundation is built on the stability of a steady job. Quitting your job too soon can be a recipe for financial disaster. Without a consistent income, you're at the mercy of your savings. And even a healthy nest egg can dwindle quickly. Unexpected expenses pop up. Medical bills, car repairs, or home maintenance can throw your budget off track. Without a job to fall back on, you're left scrambling to make ends meet. Moreover, the emotional toll of financial instability can be immense. It can strain relationships, impact your health, and derail your dreams. The pressure to succeed quickly can lead to poor decision-making. Building wealth takes time and discipline. Don't jeopardize your future by taking unnecessary risks. Use the security of your job to create a financial buffer. This safety net will allow you to pursue your entrepreneurial dreams when the time is right, without putting your financial well-being in jeopardy. Section 4. Job as a launchpad. Many see their job solely as a source of income, but it can be so much more. Your job is a treasure trove of resources and opportunities that can fuel your wealth-building journey. First, it provides valuable skills and experience. You're constantly learning, problem-solving, and honing your craft. These skills are transferable and can be leveraged to generate income outside of your 9-to-5. Second, your job offers networking opportunities. Connect with colleagues, mentors, and industry professionals. These relationships can lead to collaborations, partnerships, and even new business ventures. Finally, some jobs offer employee benefits that support wealth building. Retirement plans like 401ks with employer matching contributions are essentially free money. Take advantage of these perks to boost your savings and investments. Section 5. The Balancing Act. Now, I'm not saying you have to be glued to your desk 24/7. It's about finding a balance. Keep your job for financial security. Meanwhile, use your spare time to explore side hustles and build your wealth-generating machine. A side hustle allows you to test the waters of entrepreneurship without quitting your job. It could be anything from freelance writing to online coaching to selling handmade crafts. The key is to find something you enjoy and that aligns with your skills. Balancing a job and a side hustle teaches you invaluable skills: time management, discipline, and resourcefulness. These skills are essential for success in any endeavor, especially when it comes to building wealth. Remember, your job is the steady hand that guides you. Your side hustle is the engine that propels you forward. Together, they form a powerful combination for achieving financial freedom. Section 6. The Long Game. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making consistent, smart choices over time. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes or risky investments. Slow and steady wins the race. Start by developing a solid financial plan. Set clear financial goals, create a budget, and stick to it. Automate your savings and investments so you're consistently building wealth, even passively. Educate yourself on personal finance, read books, listen to podcasts, and seek guidance from reputable financial advisors. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your money. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, celebrate your wins, and learn from your mistakes. With patience, persistence, and a solid plan, you can achieve your financial dreams. Section 7. Your path to prosperity. You don't have to navigate the road to financial freedom alone. At Exodus Capital, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Our team of expert financial advisors provides personalized advice and resources to help you reach your financial goals. We offer a 100% money-back guarantee because we believe in the value we provide. Our services are accessible globally, ensuring everyone has the opportunity to achieve financial well-being. Ready to take control of your financial future? Visit Exodus Capital today and discover how our financial streaming platform can empower you to build lasting wealth. Your journey to prosperity starts now.